Hi everybody, we are SafeAir and this is our project, Air Pollution and Smart Detection Sensor. Before anything else, let me introduce the team. Diego Flores, Daniel García, Daniela Galindo, David García, Kiara García, Miguel García, and me, Javier Gallegos. In this presentation, we are going to tell you what is our project about, starting by an introduction. Then, answering the question, what is air pollution and how does it affect us? Continuing with the problem in our state, Nuevo León. After that, we are going to move on to explain our project and how it will help the society, and finish with the opportunity areas that remain about this topic.
Well, let's start introducing our project. Air pollution is the contamination of the air by harmful substances that mainly come from human activities, such as factories, vehicles, constructions, etc. In this project, we will focus on comparing the air quality in different areas of Nuevo León with the air condition around the UNL campus in San Nicolás de los Garza, which is an area highly polluted because of concentration of factories, industrial zones, and heavy traffic near the university. Our project will measure and record the amount of CO2 in the air from multiple locations to better understand how pollution changes across the city and how it may affect students and local residents.
What is air pollution and how does it affect us? Well, the air pollution refers to the presence of harmful gases and tiny particles in the atmosphere that can enter our lungs and bloodstream. Some common pollutions are CO2, dioxide, particulate matter 2.5, and particulate matter 10, and NOx and SO2. Yeah, well, there are three principal areas where this affects us because, well, the first one is the brain. It has been associated with strokes and cognitive decline. Also, with the eyes and skin, it can cause problems such as dry eyes and skin damage. And finally, the lungs and heart. Well, it can cause chronic respiratory disease, asthma, and increase the risk of heart attacks. Well, air pollution can harm our health in many ways. It mainly affects the respiratory system by causing asthma and chronic bronchitis. It also increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Some pollutions are carcinogenic and may lead to lung cancer. Additionally, air pollution can damage the immune system and even affect brain function. These effects show the importance of reducing air pollution to protect public health.
Now, talking about Nuevo León, there are many articles which state that Nuevo León is the second most polluted state in Mexico. This is mainly because of the concentration of industries which reside on the center of the metropolitan area of the state. But not only that, there's also some other causes of this level of pollution, such as the number of cars that there are in Nuevo León. Uh, One of the main industries we may find in San Nicolás de los Garza, which is the place where UANL takes place, is ternium. That's one of the main examples Nuevo León has for pollution.
Well, and that's the reason for the creation of this project. For us as uh, 1L students, we decided to focus our project on this problem. And well, our prototype consists on a CO2 detector, and it will measure and compare levels of this pollutant in different areas in Nuevo León. And well, this measurement will be always displayed in a box that so anyone can see them, and well, they could be aware of what is happening with the contamination in the zone.
Also, we want to take into account how our project will help because our project aims to improve awareness and safety regarding air pollution in Nuevo León. By using our CO2 detection prototype, we can have like these points that we realize. First is the monitor air quality in real time in different locations of the state, putting like different ones all throughout Nuevo León. And then we have to compare pollution levels between industrial areas like San Nicolas and other zones. Also, we want to inform students and residents about areas with high CO2 concentrations so they just be aware of what they are breathing. Also, we want to support preventive actions such as reducing outdoor exposure in polluted zones. And finally, promote environmental awareness and encourage cleaner habits in the community so everyone can have healthier and more and think more about what are they breathing in their life.
Our opportunity areas are our greatest opportunity area is in detecting more air pollutants since with the resource we have. We can only detect and measure one type of pollutant at a time. Another major area of opportunity is the accurate detection of the contaminant to be measured. Although there are no perfect devices for measuring them with 100% accuracy, we can get closer to that figure by using better equipment.
This is all for now. Be on the lookout to see how this project continues. Remember that every person can make a change and contribute for society. Thanks, and until next time.